Ever had one of those aha moments where you come across a device that simply checks all the right boxes, leaving its competition in the dust? That's the kind of epiphany I had when I laid my eyes on Xiaomi's latest wonder, the Mi Mix Fold 3. A lot has been said about foldable phones, from skeptics scoffing at them as mere gimmicks to tech enthusiasts seeing them as the future. Foldables have indeed come a long way. But the latest from Xiaomi's stable is a game changer, and let me explain why. The 2020s, without a doubt, are rapidly shaping into the era of foldable marvels. I'll admit, I was a bit hesitant initially. The thought of foldables replacing our sturdy slab phones seemed outlandish, but the tech world's resilience in perfecting these devices is starting to sway many, including yours truly. While Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 are no strangers to the foldable arena, it's Xiaomi's Mix Fold 3 that truly made my jaw drop. A trip down memory lane reminds me of Xiaomi's foray into the bezel-less arena with their Mi Mix lineup. It's fascinating to see how Xiaomi, once toying with bezel-less designs, has now morphed into a front-runner in the foldable niche. And if you were to ask me with the Mix Fold 3, they've indeed hit the jackpot. First off, the new hinge design. Now Xiaomi doesn't play by the book. Instead, they rewrote it. They've introduced what they claim is a proprietary hinge mechanism that's downright innovative. When they mentioned the hover mode, which allows the phone to fold open from a 45-degree angle to a whopping 135 degrees, I couldn't help but think of the countless ways it could come in handy. Imagine propping it up for a quick Netflix binge or laying it flat for those impeccably stable recordings. And here's the kicker, it's robust too. Tested to endure a whopping 500,000 folds, it scoffs at the Galaxy Z Fold 5's 200,000. Sorry, Samsung. And can we just take a moment to appreciate the composite fiber back? 36 times stronger than glass. It's like Superman in the guise of a phone. I've had my fair share of heart-stopping moments when my phone slips, and this assurance of durability is a sheer relief. Powering this beast is the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 leading version. Simply put, it's a powerhouse. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or simply scrolling through your social feed, this phone promises to deliver a seamless experience. But what truly got the photographer in me giddy with excitement was the 4-camera array. A spectacular 50MP main camera, supported by a 13MP ultra-wide sensor, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 10MP periscope. It's like having a professional camera in your pocket. It's clear Xiaomi has come leaps and bounds since the Mi Mix 2, and I'm all here for it. Last but definitely not least, the battery. A 4,800 mAh powerhouse paired with 67W wired and 50W wireless charging. Yes, please. It's like Xiaomi read my mind and catered to my every whim. In wrapping this up, I find myself reflecting on the evolution of smartphones. From our classic slabs to bezel-less wonders and now to foldables, it's been a thrilling ride. And right now, Xiaomi's Mi Mix Fold 3 feels like it's leading the charge. While Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 is commendable, Xiaomi just showed that there's more than one way to fold a phone. Cheers to more innovations and game changers like this.